Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share my IELTS study planner, a Notion database designed to help you effectively track and achieve your IELTS goals. In this video, I will walk you through each section, explaining how it contributes to structured study and progress tracking. Let's dive in. We'll start with the goal section. Here I have set my target scores for each part of the IELTS exam: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, as well as my overall goal. Setting these specific targets is crucial for keeping a clear focus in what I aim to achieve. The next section is a score table. This table shows the required number of correct answers for different score levels in listening and reading. For example, if you are aiming for a 7.5 score in listening, you need between 32 to 34 correct answers. This reference helps me stay aware of the accuracy needed to hit my targets. Moving on, we have the score tracker. This section includes a chart that visually represents my scores for listening, reading, and writing over time. It's a quick way to see how I'm progressing in each area, helping me identify any weak spots that need more attention. Below the score chart is a book tracker. Here I log each practice test I complete, including the test date and scores for listening and reading and writing. Of course, and the overall band score. This structured record lets me track my progress on specific tests and see improvements over time. At the bottom, I have the averages for each skill, which gives me a quick view of my overall standing. The improvements section is key to my study plan. After each test, I note down any mistakes I made or areas where I need to improve. This reflection process helps me avoid repeating the same errors and allows me to focus on specific skills or question types where I'm struggling. Over time, it's been a huge help in refining my approach. Next is the bonus content. This section is a collection of additional resources that I use to enhance my study. There are YouTube channels for extra learning, tips for efficient preparation, a rubric to understand IELTS scoring, and strategies specifically for writing. These resources provide extra support and guidance throughout my preparation. The final section is notes, where I have summarized some of the strategies that helped me secure a score of 6.5. For instance, I recommend starting with YouTube videos for foundational understanding, practicing with Cambridge IELTS books, and continuing to train until you are consistently achieving your target scores. Reflecting after each test, especially by using the improvements section, has been crucial for my progress. And that wraps up the tour of my IELTS study planner. With this setup, I can track my progress, stay focused on my goals, and continuously improve my performance. I hope this gives you some ideas for creating or refining your own IELTS study tracker. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your preparation.